Gamma rays. What are gamma rays? Like X-rays, they are highly penetrating rays and can cause damage to living cells. The damage can cause mutations in genes and can lead to cancer, surely much more than X-rays. However, high-energy gamma rays have several important uses. First, they are used to sterilize medical instruments. Surgical instruments are sealed in plastic wrappers and exposed to gamma rays to kill any bacteria on them, which in turn helps stopping infection spreading in hospitals. Second, to kill microorganisms so that food will keep for longer. Food are exposed to gamma rays, which kills 99% of disease-carrying organisms and bacteria that spoil food. And third, to treat cancer using radiotherapy, where a narrow beam of gamma rays from a radioactive source, as shown in the figure, is directed at the tumor to kill it. So, gamma rays can both cause and cure cancer. Therefore, people who use equipment or substances that produce any form of ionizing radiation, X-rays or gamma rays, must wear a film badge which tells how much radiation the wearer has received. So, gamma rays is the last type in the electromagnetic spectrum. It has the highest values of frequency, 10 to the power 18 to 10 to the power 21 Hz, while the lowest values of wavelength, 10 to the power minus 10 to 10 to the power minus 14 meters, which is shorter than X-rays, and that's why they can penetrate substances more than X-rays can. Gamma rays are produced by radioactive decay and nuclear reactions where unstable nuclei release energy, and a Geiger-Müller tube is a device that detects gamma rays.